long time ago, I showed you a developing ear of corn. You can now see that this ear of corn is developed. You can see those little dents in the corn. That means it is mature. Between now and harvest, it's a case of this ear of corn drying down from about 35% moisture now to ideally about 20% of moisture. That's the ideal time to harvest.